Hello, Mother. I'm home from the store and my doctor's appointment and getting air in my tire. I got lots of goodies. I got pop, and then I got the socks and the shoes for some of my people at work that need it. And then I have your shampoo and what else did I get? They have chili cheese fry flavored Pringles. So I got some of those because I want to try them. I want to see if they're good because I want to try them. It just sounds so good. Like my mouth is watering because I love chili cheese fries. So I hope they're good. Now I don't know how I'm gonna open the door, so I'm gonna obnoxiously ring the doorbell with my forehead. This probably looks really funny. Can you see my head? I don't know. Maybe boop it with my. Let me in. My hand is getting tired. It's heavy. Let me in, please. There you are, Mom.
I'm here to save the day.
I can't hold